No, I will not say that word. I can't even speak. I don't even know. All right, so placing your second row, what does it feel like to get NBR on your little baby head?
So far, it's refreshingly not feeling like much of a tug. I've had cornrows for vacations and stuff before, and that's like so much more severe than anything I've felt so far. So I keep like waiting for this big tug that I haven't felt yet.
Awesome. Tell me how that first row feels now that you've had that in your hair for like an hour. What does it feel like?
It feels amazing, actually.
That's exactly. I figured to say that.
I keep touching it, like, oh my goodness. But it doesn't feel heavy or cumbersome.
That's
It's
awesome.
just feels soft, and I'm falling in love.
Already. That didn't take long, did it?
No.
Awesome. Brooke, do you have any concerns about wearing your NBR?
I'm a little bit of a moron with my own hair, so I'm a little bit worried about the maintenance part of it.
Mm-hmm.
But
I'll teach you everything
I
you
can
need to know.
call 911 and you'll answer, hopefully.
Yep.
So I'm a little bit worried about that, as far as just the daily
As far as taking care of it,
Yeah.
how do you struggle with your regular hair every day, or
No, so
Okay.
most of the time I don't care. I mean, so I'll just like, it won't be done on a daily basis. But
do
I
a lot of
just
people
want to make
see
sure
you
I
on
don't.
those days?
Absolutely not.
Yeah, same.
So,
You're gonna be just fine.
okay, great.
Yep. So you can wash it and let it air dry. You want to put your products in it so that it's not dry and kind of all over the place.
Gotcha.
You can let it air dry, but you're not going to want to wear it out for an event.
That way.
Usually, if you're going to have it that way, but it's hair that you are going to wear as if it's your own hair. So live your life.
So I can do this.
Live your life, absolutely. When I see you for your next appointment, we'll do any troubleshooting. If something's not working, we'll figure out a solution and make it work better for you.